Good night, everyone. Let me see on the chat. Just say hi, just to so I know exactly that you guys are behind there. I have created. Hi, Jeffrey. Hi, Jay from Texas. I have created a poll. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay. How familiar are you with platform analytics? Just click on the option so I can get the results. And yeah, then we can start. Perfect. So the majority is inline editor. Okay, lovely, lovely, cool. I'll just give one more minute or two, and I will start crack on. Okay. Okay. So we have 12 votes that they're not familiar with platform analytics. We have 10 that they use inline editor, and one that is using the technical editor. Okay. So let's start with the basics. Okay. What is happening? ServiceNow, the classic reporting as we know, as we used to know, is changing. Okay. There is no way we can stop that. That is already on the platform. Okay. It started on Washington, and the things will start to move. Okay. The classic reporting is going to be considered legacy. Okay. And we need to start to use the platform analytics. Why? There is a lot of whys around the platform analytics. It's much better than the classic reporting. First, the user experience is amazing. It creates a little bit more flexibility if you want to go a little bit more technical, or if you want just to keep to the basics. It's really enough to do it. Okay. So what we used to know as a report is now a data visualization. Okay. What we used to know as a reporting designer now is a visualization designer. Interactive filters are safe filters or just filters. Okay. Responsible dashboards are inline dashboards, and there is a difference here between the dashboards. There are two types of dashboards. There are dashboards that are part of an experience, and this is a technical dashboard. Or if you go to the inline editor, is PRR dashboard. It used to be PA underscore dashboard, but nowadays the new dashboard is different. Okay. We all know the legacy. The platform analysis is much better. Taking a look on the releases, okay, we used to be able to opt in, and probably if you have like a customer that has had the instance for quite a long time, you still have access to the old reporting. So if you write report on the filter navigator, you are able to see that you still get access to the reports. Okay. If you create a PDI from scratch, you're going to see that that option is no longer available on the filter navigator. Okay, let me just take a look on the chat just to. Hi, Jerry. And in the future, everything will be platform analytics. And if you see PAE, platform analytic experience, this is how I have a conversation with Dan, which is responsible for the products. And this is not like platform analytics. It's we love to use acronyms, right? PA is not platform analytics. PAE is platform analytic experience, and this is what they want to bring. Okay. So if you already have reports that you're using the classic reporting, you can use the migration center. Does anyone have used the migration center? Yes, I can. Yes, Thomas, I can. Um, Anyone else that have used the migration center? I will just change. Yes, sorry. So the Platform Analytics Migration Center is what you can use to migrate your old reports. Okay. At the moment, ServiceNow is giving you the opportunity to use it. Okay. It's amazing. Like I haven't had any issues migrating. Probably I just a few of them, but it's kind of like it's easy to fix them. It's something that was not converted at all, but it's easy to fix. Okay, if we go down a little bit the line, okay, this is how the migration works. Okay, and then now I want to tell you, I want to show you exactly. Let me just try to bring my screen now. Sorry to keep jumping between screens, and I will share my screen. Okay, lovely. Okay, so if you write, everyone can see my screen, right? I can't see you. It should be, right? Yeah, cool. So if you write platform analytics here, you're going to see analytics center. Okay. When you click, this is the new platform analytics. When you click here on the inline editor or technical editor, there is a big difference here. Okay. So the inline editor is pretty much straightforward. Okay, I have one. Well, I can demo, for example. This is pretty much straightforward. Okay, we click here. We can add a visualization, which is a report. Okay, I can select the tables on the right. Okay, this is a single score on the data. I select the table, okay, for example, incident, okay, and so on. Look how easy it is to set up. And if I press save, and if I want to test this, it's just going to work, okay? So the drill down functionality is working, okay, and it's easy to set up, okay. When we use the technical editor, that's a different game, okay? Let me just show you how a technical editor looks like, okay? A technical editor is actually an experience, okay? It's part of the advanced dashboard experience, and you build the dashboard as the same way that you build a workspace experience or anything similar, right? And you just need to use and you need to create all the behaviors. So for example, if I want to, I have this filter over here assigned to, okay? The way we can create the filter, for example, we need to create a client script, and everything here can be found. There is a knowledge article that I can show you. This one, okay, key B 11 56652. Okay, this helps you to set up the filters. So everything that you see, okay, everything that you see here, okay, which I build it. It's just the effort to build it, and sometimes we just need to make a good evaluation if we want to take this step, because maintaining this kind of dashboard is very, unless you are quite familiar, but this is very powerful and you can do whatever you want. But if you just want to do some reporting or keep it simple, I would probably just keep it to the normal inline editor. Okay, you can, there is a lot of elements here. You can create the filter, for example, here. You can create a filter and you select, for example, the data source here. Imagine these are incidents, right? So if I say sys user, okay, sys user, where are you? User, sys user. Okay, if just keep it that way. Okay, data to filter. Imagine like the first dashboard. the first data visualization was all incidents I have on my table. So imagine that I want to filter by assignee. I can just select here incident and assign to. Okay, and this way, you can select the user, select, and you have here a report, a dashboard, and all you need to do is just build it from scratch. You can, for example, you can build, you can add tabs if you want to. Okay, you can have multiple tabs if you want to. You can move them around. I think the best practice is just try to keep it simple, because the more content that you add into the dashboard, the heavier it is to load up. Okay, and I don't know if you are aware, but let me just share my PowerPoint again. But we have access as well. You as a partner or as a customer, you have access to the ideation portal where you can submit ideas. So whatever you find that you would like to have, you can just go there, submit your idea, and the product team will pick up and introduce in the product. Okay, let me just bring my bring my PowerPoint to the screen, and my PowerPoint to the screen, which will be this one. And just a second. Here we go. Everyone can see. Not yet. Okay, here we go. So, technical or inline editor. When do we want to take that step? Okay, and this is I think this is a good question. Every time you try to create a, a dashboard, you need to have that in consideration. There is a lot of functionalities as well, new functionalities. You can mark the dashboards as a certified dashboards. So when someone opens the platform analytics, they can see the list on the certified, which dashboards are certified. And for example, if you want to, just a second, not this one, not this one, you can submit imagine that you have an estimate request. This is the portal to go if you want to create an investment request. Okay, just use it. This is not just for platform analysis. This is for any tool that we have on ServiceNow. You can just go there, submit your idea, and the product team will take a look and probably get into the product. Okay, more resources about platform analytics. Just go to this link. Okay, SN Works Analytics PAE. This data, this enable toolkit was shared by the product team, just in case you ask. And there is as well a platform analytics academy, so feel free to join. Okay, and you will find a lot of functionalities, and people just probably new tricks that you can put in practice on the dashboard. Okay, and that's it. I would say, just in time. There is a poll on your right if you want to be kind to reply, just to so I know exactly how did it go. But yeah, the platform analytics is a big topic, and I try to squeeze in 50 minutes. Okay, I hope you enjoy the rest of the conference. Thank you. I'll just stay for more questions if you have. Thomas, I use technical idea when advanced filtering is needed and when you eat that brick. Okay, yes, correct. Correct. Yeah. All good? Yeah, no more questions? Are you able to middle align the number for the report? I believe so, Jerry. I believe so. I believe so. It's just a matter of trying, but I believe so. Yes, you have the options to align the text. Portugal. Okay, thank you. And I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you.